Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to open a second Cash App account. Let's begin by opening your Cash App. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon located at the top right of the screen. Since you're creating another account, select Sign Out and confirm by tapping OK. After signing out, choose Select an account, then tap Add an account to this device. Give it a moment to load. Next, enter your details to log in. You'll have the option to sign up using either a phone number or an email. Choose email, enter your address, and tap Next. Now, check your email for the verification code sent by Cash App. Enter the code and tap Next to continue. At this point, you can add a card if you'd like. When you see the Welcome to Cash App screen, it means your second Cash App account has been successfully created. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.